I got my very first Fab Fit Fun Box, and I'm trying to decide if it breaks my no-buy or not. Let me explain. So my friend Clara over at Clara Barrera, I'll link her channel down below, posted on her community tab that she had 5 Fab Fit Fun Boxes to give away for free. I contacted her over on Instagram to see if she had any left. I figured they would have all gotten scooped up right away, but she did. And so I followed the link and signed up for a box, and it was completely free. So I technically didn't buy this box, but I had to pay shipping of $5. So we could use a little girl math on this and say shipping isn't a product. I didn't buy anything. I paid for shipping. And so technically what's in here is free. And so it doesn't break my no-buy. And that's what I'm going with. And if you disagree with my conclusion here, you can feel free to let me know down in the comments, and I will take it under advisement and then probably ignore it, because I don't know. I don't feel like it's really breaking the no-buy to get a free box. And I've always wanted to try Fab Fit Fun, but I haven't really wanted to pay the price to try Fab Fit Fun. Before we get into the unboxing, let me just really quickly let you know Fab Fit Fun is a mystery subscription box. It is 4 times a year. If you purchase it quarter at a time, it is $69.99 for each box, but you can get an annual subscription for it for $219.99. And yes, I probably should have figured out the savings there. Give me a second, I'm going to do some real math. Not girl math, real math. And so I actually did the math. And if you buy the annual subscription, it saves you about $60 over buying them one at a time. Like I said, $69.99 is not something that I probably would spend the money on to get a mystery box. But for $5 for shipping, I absolutely was interested. The other thing is, when I signed up, I was given a free box to give away. And so I would like to give that to one of you. And all you have to do is let me know down in the comments if you're interested in being considered for that free box. Please don't sign up if you're not going to do it, because that's not fair to somebody who really, really wants it. And then I'll just do a random picker of the people who are interested and send you the link. Okay, this is ridiculous. When I'm trying to come up with a word for the comment picker stuff, I come up with some of the weirdest stuff. I had hockey puck and I don't know. Anyway, I'm not like trying to hide this or anything. I just want a word that isn't likely to be used by somebody who doesn't know that they're signing up for this, because I really want it to go to somebody who intends to follow through if they get it. So if you could use the word eagle, I mean, you can make another comment or whatever and just end with eagle. It doesn't have to be in a sentence. That's not important. Just put the word eagle somewhere in your comment. I don't think anybody would accidentally use the word eagle when they're commenting on my Fab Fit Fun Box. So let's get into this and open it. I am so excited to see what's in here. It is still completely sealed, so I'm going to grab my scissors and open this up. Do you get Fab Fit Fun? Let me know down in the comments if you have gotten this box before, if you're a regular to it, or if you've never even heard of it. It looks like I have 4 items in here, and the first is a pair of sweater socks. I like socks, especially, oh, and these are so soft. Wow, they are really long socks too. That will keep you warm when it's super cold. They are from a company called Pudis. I don't know how to pronounce that, but they're very, very, very soft. So yeah, I like those. Something from a company called Sachawan, I think. I've never heard of it before. It is a heat protection hair cream. I generally use the Not Your Mother's All Eyes on Me leave-in conditioner, and it does have a heat protectant in it. So this is still sealed. I haven't decided if I'm actually going to open it or not. I'll have to give it some thought. I might put it in a giveaway. The Dr. B Lab Lash and Brow Serum. I am interested in trying this. It seems like my brows just get sparser by the month. So I am interested to try this and see if I can get some more fullness, especially on the very inner portion and the tail of my brow. It's gotten so thin there. And then this box, this looks like there might be a plant in there. It says Mama Pots. I love plants. Okay, it's not a plant, it's just a pot, but that's really good too because I have a lot of plants and some of them need to be repotted. And so it is a ceramic, very heavy, very nice plant pot with a saucer. That's super nice. Okay, so technically, even if I purchased this box, it wouldn't break my no-buy because my no-buy is pretty much just for makeup. And I got skincare, hair care, socks, and a plant, which is household. So we don't even have to do girl math to justify this one. I would say for $5, it's a pretty good deal. Now, if I had spent $69.99 for this box, would I have been happy? No. No, I would not. And it has done nothing to entice me to purchase one. I'm going to go and check and see if I can find what the value of this is, and I'll be right back to let you know. Well, that was a little surprising. Let's start with the Szechuan heat protectant. Depending on where you purchase this, you could get it for $35.92 on Amazon or $18 at Walmart. That is a huge difference. I mean, I know sometimes there's a difference in makeup if you buy it on Amazon or Ulta or Walmart, but seriously, it is double the price on Amazon from what it is on Walmart. And I wouldn't buy it even for $18. I have a hard time spending more than $10 on any hair product. I mean, I don't begrudge people who like to spend higher end prices on their hair products. I just don't. But this is one that I would not purchase for sure. And I can't decide if I'm going to keep it and use it or not because I really like what I use for a leave-in conditioner. I learned that the Dr. B Labs is a Dr. Brandt product. This is 5 ml, and I wasn't sure if it was a sample size or the full size. It is the full size product, and it is $58. Now, I know lash and brow serums can be really expensive, but I also know you can get one at e.l.f. and other places for a lot less. So would I spend $58 on this size lash and brow serum? No. Am I going to use it? Absolutely. And this is one that I'm excited to get in a mystery box that I didn't pay anything for. These socks, when I looked them up, I realized they're not just knee socks. They are over the knee socks, which is a really cute look with a shorter dress and booties or something like that if you're 20. I'm not sure it's a cute look when you're almost 60. So I might see if one of my daughters wants these, or I don't know, haven't figured out what I'm going to do with them, but I probably won't wear them. And so in that case, if I had paid full price for the box, I would have been disappointed because I wouldn't be using these. And then the plant pot with the saucer, I didn't get the saucer out because I'm afraid I'll drop it and break it. I went to the Mama Pot's website. So I measured, and this is the 4.5-inch pot with the saucer, and I think it's from their Jewel collection. It's $28 retail. It's a really cute pot. I am a cheapskate, and I probably wouldn't buy a pot if it was $28, but I am glad to have this one, and I will put a plant in it. I have started, when I repot my plants, putting them in clear plant pots, like the ones that I have up here, and I really like that. This guy back here, if I can get him out of the... is in a clear container, and it's just easier to keep track of their roots and if they're healthy, if they need water, that kind of stuff. So what you can do is take this clear pot and put it down in a decorative pot, and then if you want to check on the health of your plant, you can just lift it out. So I will be doing that rather than potting directly into this one. I know you didn't click into this video for a plant lesson, so consider it a bonus. So depending on if you buy the Walmart version of this or the Amazon version of this, the value of this box is either $129 or $146.92, which is a great bargain for me because I only paid $5. If you had purchased it, just the box, it would have been $69.99, and so your value is approximately double. However, because I would not have purchased any of these items if they weren't in the box, and I probably won't use 2 of them, if I had spent the full $69.99 for the box, I would not have been happy. Do you get Fab Fit Fun? Is this what the box is usually like? I really haven't even watched like Fab Fit Fun unboxings because it's not something that I've ever really been interested in receiving. I've kind of decided that I just don't want to do mystery boxes. I would rather, if I was going to spend $70 for a box for a quarter, I would rather take that money and go to Walmart or Ulta or somewhere and buy exactly what I wanted rather than take a chance on getting something that I'm not going to use. Anyway, I am curious if this is representative of what a Fab Fit Fun box usually looks like, or if this is just the introductory box. So remember, if you're interested in the free box that I have to give away, I don't know if it's going to be, if it would be this stuff or if there's other free boxes that go out. Maybe if you wait a little while, then you'll get something else. Then leave a comment down below and use the word eagle somewhere in your comment. You can start it with it, you can end it with it, doesn't have to be in a sentence, I don't care. If you enjoy beauty and lifestyle content along with some issues-related content for the woman over 50, then make sure that if you're not subscribed, you take a second and do that. And please give a like on this video before you go. I hope you have a beautiful, blessed day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.